Okay, good morning everyone. Wow, look at what we have here. It's rain. Cold, cold here, guys. Look at me. See? Cold. Wow. Praise the Lord. It rained yesterday. Uh, Today is February 6th. Yesterday is February 5th. Very timing, guys. That is why Philip get mad that he cannot fix the water pump quick because he knows that there is a huge rain coming. And now, just yesterday afternoon, they finished empty the pool, the dirty water. So it's gonna be interesting now. And I woke up, I think 5 o'clock. I was trying, we just trying to collect some water from yesterday at the pool, and we have that dirty water. I did not expect that it will rain at night. So actually the rain started, I think, middle of the night. But it's not really a huge rain, it's a slow rain. And I go out and empty the dirty water. Then I put all the containers bucket to the where the water goes off on the gutter rather. So this is interesting, guys. The pool. I don't wanna go out. Look at me. It's really chill here, guys. Very chill. Cold. I feel chill really because after I put the drum, the big bucket at the below the roof. I talk about a bath. So it's definitely very cold. I'm shaking, but I'm fine. Wow, this is a blessing. A blessing in the farm. We need water. And yesterday, this is okay. I water all my plants here and my garden at the back where I plant all the seedlings. So on the night, last night, it rained. Oh God. Anyway, we really need to have to solve the ground. Wow, thank you Lord for the rain. It helps everything here. Our pond below, that's getting very low, and I don't want to go there because I feel sad looking at the pond, and the water is almost dry than the fish. I am not sure now how high the water is, because it's not, this rain is not really a huge rain. But the pool, I'm interesting there, guys. I don't wanna go up yet because I'm wearing socks. Definitely I'm gonna get wet, and I don't wanna change again clothes. So bye for now, guys. Happy to see we have rain now. I'm glad, so I can't water anymore. Wow, a little bit of wind. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now. God bless.